Hi there, welcome to the Zapiet Academy. Today I will show you how to set up your pickup days and times. To get started in your Shopify admin, click Apps. In the drop-down menu, select Zapiet Pickup and Delivery. In the Zapiet Pickup and Delivery left side menu, click Locations. Click the location name you want to edit. Go to the Store Pickup section and click Edit Settings. In the Date and Time Picker section, enable the Date Picker. If you would like your customers to select a pickup time, enable the Time Picker. Choose your pickup availability. If you offer pickup every day, select every day of the week and click Save. If you don't offer pickup every day, select specific days of the week. Tick the days of the week when you offer pickup and click Save. If you only offer pickup a few times a year, select specific dates of the year. This is useful if you sell at trade shows and/or farmers markets. Click Select a Date to begin adding the pickup dates. To add one date, click on the date and click Add Date. To add a range of dates, click on the start date, the end date, and click Add Dates. After you have added all your pickup dates, click Save. Your customers will now see a calendar in the widget and will need to select one of the available pickup dates. To edit the pickup time slots, go to the Pickup Times section. Select whether the pickup times are the same or different for each day of the week. Add your first and last pickup times. If your pickup times are different every day of the week, then repeat this process for every day that you offer pickup. Select the pickup slot frequency. By default, pickup slots are 60 minutes long, but you can change the frequency to 30, 20, 15, or 10 minutes. Click Save. Your customers can now select the date and time to pick up their order. You can test out the widget to see the settings you have applied. For store pickup, click the Date Picker to view the available dates. The dates, times, and frequency we have set up in the settings are now showing in the calendar. For more information on configuring your pickup dates and times, please check our help articles. You can find the links to the articles in the description below. If you have any questions, please reach us at support@zapiet.com and we'll be happy to help.